It is raining in Koh Samui from last 3 days and many parts are flooded. This is the part which is a little bit higher on the mountain side, so you can see the water is not stranded here, it is flowing down. There you can see it is going down there, and on that end Koh Samui is totally flooded. Here you see, and you see the sky. There is forecast that there will be rain for another 2-3 days, and there are chances that even now the planes are not flying, and there are chances that the flights will not go for another 3 days or so. This is a resort.